Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will cover one of the most asked about lines in Python, that is if name double equals to main. You have probably seen it, but what does it actually do? Let's find out. Let's move to our VS Code. I am on my VS Code screen. Let's make a file by the name main.py. Here I will explain you what is the line if underscore underscore name equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore means. Basically, let me give you an example. By using the name let's see, I am making calculator dot py and I have used def calculator and a comma b as an argument, and I will just return a plus b as a sum. Def sum, def add you can use, and this as the sum. And in my main.py file, if I wanted to import calculator, it will import the calculator file, and I will just print calculator dot add 5,6. Let's see what output it is going to give us. It will give us 11, right? There is no fault in it. But in calculator.py, if I am using a statement like print calculating your result, and if I am running this main file, where is this main file? If I am running this main file again, then it will show me calculating your result, that is 11. But why this line is printing? I don't want this line. Why this line is printing? I just want my function only. So here the thing comes in, like if I use if name equal to main, then only use this statement, else don't use it, use it, right? Or I can say if name quotes should be here equal to main, then only use this calculating your result, and it will give me the output. If I am running main.py again, then it will now giving me 11 only. Why it is not giving me the extra line? Now I will explain it to you. There is a main file and there is a calculator file from where we imported our function. Now the line is if name equal to main means if we are running this file individually, if we are running this file directly, then it will print me the line calculating your result. Means if the name is main, that means we are running this file directly. But if we are running this file by importing it, then it will not, then the name is not equal to main, then the name will not be equal to main, basically, right? So this is the thing here. This checks whether the Python script is being run directly or imported into the another script as a module. And every Python file has a name variable. And this name variable is connected with main when we running it directly, right? When you run a script directly, Python sets name equal to main. But when you import the same script into another file, the name become the module's name. Right here we imported this and the name becomes a module's name. And if we have a simple example, this was a simple example, but let's take another example. Let's make a file greetings.py over here, and if I am making a function def hello, and def hello, in this def hello I will just print hello from greetings.py greetings.py, hello from greetings.py. And if I'm setting if name double equals to main, then only it will print running directly, running on directly, or it will call the function hello over here. Now if I just run it, then what it is going to print? It is going to print running directly and hello from greetings.py. We are running the file directly, right? And if we import it in the another script, let's say we have main.py over here, and I am importing import greetings over here, and if just use greetings dot hello over here, then if I run this, then you can see that only hello from greetings.py has been printed. The next line hasn't been printed because the name is not set to main now, because we imported the file, we didn't run it directly, right? Have you understood the concept behind this? So this is how name equal to main statement works. And in summary, I want to say that Python sets the name automatically. If we are running the file directly, then the name is set to main automatically. And if name equal to main, we use the statement to control the script execution basically, and it ensures the code runs only when intended, not during the imports. And that's how the name equal to main check works basically. I hope you understood name equal to main check, and many persons get confused in this one. Sometimes it happens, but this is quite simple as that. And I hope I have made clear it to you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Show up patiently till now. Thank you so much.